Hello, Barbara Sletto, Realty One Group MVP, here at our Imperial Gates listing in Bonita Springs. This is a 3-bed, 2-bath home, single family home, 1026 square feet, but it feels so much larger. All of the bedrooms are sizable. This one has its own bathroom. Very tastefully decorated and really nice tile work here. It's being sold furnished, so you can move in and be ready to start your new Florida life. Sizable kitchen, matching appliances. Water heater was installed in 2024. One of the great features of this home is the outdoor living space. Look at this lanai. It is very large. And just a quiet area back there. It's a little dry here right now, but the rainy season is coming, so that'll freshen everything up. So you have your dining area, a fire pit back there, a shed, privacy beyond that gate, which is great. Living area out here on the lanai. That's where I would be spending my time. And washer, dryer combo. Little grilling area over there, a little pavered area, so you could put in a sizable grill if you wanted to. That's a sofa sleeper. So you would be able to actually have additional guests stay here. And here we have side-by-side bedrooms. Lots of closet space. And your bathroom. Tub shower combo. And the third bedroom. Again, quite spacious. You could easily fit a king in this room. For more information about this home located in Bonita Springs, please call at 239-682-2394. 239-682-2394. Thanks everybody and have a great day.